There is a specific kind of frustration that belongs exclusively to men in their 40s and 50s who have spent their careers being genuinely excellent at what they do. It is not the frustration of failure. It is worse than that. It is the frustration of watching people with a fraction of your experience, a fraction of your industry knowledge, and a fraction of your demonstrated track record of executing under pressure generate financial outcomes that make your outcomes look like you have been playing the wrong game entirely. You have probably had this experience at least once in the past year. You are in a room with someone younger, maybe significantly younger, and as the conversation unfolds you realize with a quiet, slightly destabilizing certainty that they are not more intelligent than you. They are not more hard-working than you. They do not have access to information or resources that you do not have. But their financial reality is operating in a different universe from yours, and they seem to be operating from a place of cognitive ease that you can remember having once, but that the accumulation of years of financial stress, professional pressure, and adult responsibility has systematically eroded. That erosion is not aging. That is not your brain declining. That is your brain being trapped in the wrong electrical frequency, and the people who understand this and have access to the tools that address it at the biological level have a compounding advantage that grows larger with every year that passes. Before I explain the specific mechanism, I want to be direct. The 7-minute audio track that targets this frequency shift specifically and has the full neuroscience data to support the mechanism is available right now through the link in my YouTube description. Tap it now before you continue because the page hosting the presentation has been subject to takedown pressure and the access window is unpredictable. Get the link in your hands first. The brainwave optimization gap between the men who are accelerating financially in their 30s and 40s versus the men who are plateauing is not a knowledge gap, a network gap, or an effort gap. It is a theta gap. Theta, the brainwave frequency between 4 and 8 Hz, is the state in which the brain's subconscious pattern recognition, deep strategic processing, and calm executive function operate without the interference of the high beta stress frequency that chronic financial pressure produces. Young men who have not yet accumulated years of financial stress and responsibility often access theta states naturally and frequently because their brains have not been conditioned into the chronic high beta pattern that sustained pressure produces. They make decisions quickly and cleanly because their prefrontal cortex is not fighting a cortisol-soaked amygdala response every time they evaluate a financial opportunity. They see the asymmetric play, they execute, they move on. Their brain's electrical environment allows it. Your brain's electrical environment, shaped by years of genuine responsibility, genuine financial pressure, genuine stakes, produces the chronic high beta frequency that reduces your prefrontal cortex efficiency by up to 40% compared to its theta performance baseline. You are not less capable than these younger men. You are more capable in every dimension of knowledge, experience, and judgment. But you are operating at 60% of your cognitive ceiling while they are operating at or near their ceiling, and the financial outcomes reflect that efficiency gap more than they reflect any difference in underlying capability. The solution is not to reduce your responsibilities. It is not to pretend the pressure does not exist. It is to address the electrical frequency problem at its biological root using a tool that requires 7 minutes of your morning and produces the brainwave shift that makes your full cognitive capability accessible again. Neuro-acoustic entrainment, the process of using a precisely calibrated dual-tone binaural audio frequency to trigger the brain's involuntary frequency following response, forces your brain from high beta into theta regardless of the external circumstances producing the stress. It does not eliminate the stress. It eliminates the stress frequency's grip on your executive function. The hippocampus, the neural structure responsible for memory consolidation, spatial navigation, and crucially, the integration of new pattern recognition, is the primary target of the specific audio frequency in the 7-minute protocol. When the hippocampus is operating in theta, it processes the financial information in your environment at dramatically higher fidelity. The opportunities that were filtering through as background noise begin resolving as foreground signal. The investment plays, the business optimizations, the asset asymmetries that your high beta brain was classifying as too risky or too complex to evaluate clearly become obvious, executable, and calm. The historical foundation for this is not new. Elite private institutions, the kinds of family offices that maintain wealth across generations while public education teaches workers to trade labor for wages, have understood the mechanics of brainwave-based cognitive performance for a long time. The 1930s suppressed wealth text documented this in detail. The banking elite suppressed that document because its distribution would have produced a generation of financially independent people who could not be manipulated by economic panic cycles. Modern neuroscience has independently confirmed what those institutions knew. The 7-minute audio blueprint is the delivery mechanism. You put on your headphones, press play, and the acoustic mathematics do the biological work while you drink your coffee. 5 years from now you will either look back at this as the morning you made a different decision, or you will be calculating the same frustrating math at 55 that you are calculating at 45. Tap the link in my YouTube description now. Start the 7-minute ritual today.